figure out if the spinous processes were opening or getting closer together.
Sideline.
Right, so you were side lying, remember, and you put your fingers in the inner spinous space, and then you brought them into flexion and extension. It's the same thing for the thoracic spine. Looking for the same thing. Scoot back just a little bit. So the way I do this is I have my patient take their hands and clasp it behind their hip like that, and then we're going to put their elbows together. Okay, and then I'm going to come right in here. So my arm is over the top of her forearm here, and then I can control the motion. So this is like when you're in side lying, going in flexion extension. So now I'm just controlling the motion like this, and then get my fingers in that inner spinous space, and then I'll bring her forward, and I'm just looking to feel for that gapping. So that's going into flexion. Okay. For extension, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my arm, you're going to stay like that, and now I'm going underneath her elbows. So I'm going to wind up getting this motion, okay? And same thing, I'm going to look for closing now. So palpate in here, looking for closing. Now, as you get down to the lower spot, the lower part of the thoracic spine, if you have them extend, it's hard to feel that closing in the lower part of the spine. So what you could do is you slide them forward and extend. You could do it through the whole thoracic spine. You could do it this way. So you're sliding them forward and extending. So what's happening is that when I slide her forward, I'm also bringing her up. So let's try one more time. So she comes forward and up. Right? So for flexion, you're on top and you're coming down. For extension, you're underneath and you're either coming back. If you can't feel it, slide forward and extend back. Questions? All right, give it a try.